Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. And also, we'll have a discussion about Fin Nifty since it's an expiry tomorrow. So, what we discussed yesterday was, we did a higher time frame analysis, and one of the prime discussion was about the daily chart, where I said that Bank Nifty to get bearish, it needs to close below one of the previous candle. So from here we saw that market was continuously breaking previous day high, and this is the final place where market took an inducement into a last swing on a daily chart, and then finally it closed below the previous red candle. So though there was no momentum today, and since I think it was the first time after a few days it is closing below uh, the previous candle or the previous low, which means that there is a shift in the trend, and that could be possible reason why the market was completely sideways today. And similarly, in Nifty we discussed that the first signal is to close below this green candle, and the actual downtrend will begin once we close below this red candle. And there was a price that we discussed which was around 21,700, because on the monthly chart we saw closing prices of 21,725 and 21,731. So we decided that once we come below that is when the price can get a little bearish. So far, I think whatever we discussed yesterday has been coming out, and let's see if it continues and if we get an opportunity to make some good money is what we have to see. So we'll quickly discuss the data and we'll look at the levels on a smaller time frame. So today FI has added about 11,841 future longs and closed about 1,058 future shorts. And in the options, they have created a lot of call sell, and there is some put sell. And similarly, Prodesk have also done call shorts. And yesterday we saw a lot of put long, which we discussed that they'll cover in the morning if they get an exit window. And if you see market open flat and put a very big red candle in Bank Nifty, I think it was close to 400 points, and they got a very good opportunity to exit. And now let's come back to the lower time frame and we'll quickly discuss all the levels. So Nifty has closed in this range, and this is a place where Nifty can be a little slow, because it did give a momentum here today from 21,915 to 21,750. So almost about 150, 160 points fall, which it did in the last or in the second half. And here it may find a little bit of support. So here Nifty can slow down in case if it opens flat and then it breaks this low, it will take support here and do a little bit of time pass. And again, we may see a day that we saw today in Bank Nifty. We can see Nifty can do such time pass tomorrow. So what could be the best trade? The best trade would be if we open gap up and we get an opportunity to buy a put. That should be great. And here we have a the last swing is directly around 21,915. Okay, so in case if it goes here is when you can go for a put, or if we open at this range and we close here, we may try a put with lesser quantity, and your target should be 21,670. That's it. But apart from that, if we open here and if we cross this, I think you can still go for a call for 21,900, and then you can exit your call and look for a put, looking at a lower high, lower low formation. And if we look at Bank Nifty was completely sideways, but it has done a kind of bearish flag like pattern. If you see Okay, so this is how we fell, and then from here this is something like a pattern like this. Okay, like a bearish flag pattern, and we have given a breakdown. So tomorrow if we open with a little bit of gap up, and this is a place where I would want to go for a put. Okay, this is my trajectory of 46040. So in case if we open here and we again break this trend line, so around 45,929.30, we should go for a put with an SL of 46050, and then it should slowly gradually break this low, and then it may come and settle down until 45,400, and then eventually around 45,200 and 250 at this place. Okay, if you ask me, do we have to go for a call? A call should be only above 46,000, and that too it should start forming higher high and higher low formation. Then only we'll get a confirmation for a target of 46,400 and 500 eventually. Similarly, if we check out FinNifty, FinNifty is also similar to Nifty, wherein it has a little bit of some balance zones here, so due to which it may try to halt at this place. So you can expect a fall until 20,200 or 160 170, but a good entry would be somewhere close to this place around 20,375 to 20,410. If we open here in the morning, we should definitely go for a put, and your target should be somewhere close to 20,200, and then we'll see what it does, because this is a zone where it can do a lot of time pass. So this is my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty for tomorrow. I think everything is clear. Mark all these levels and trade these levels. That can be quite helpful. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.